coming to a city near you.
Back at 18, while we were at break, Bubba Watson for birdie at 18. A bit of a roller coaster ride today for Bubba Watson. Finishes under par. 6 birdies at 18 during the round, but he is right on the bubble. He's in 31st, so on the outside looking in at the moment. There's Ricky Fowler right behind him. Yeah, of course, all the talk about whether or not they should or should not be picked for the Ryder Cup, even though they're both in the top 10 of the world rankings. Meanwhile, Kuchar for par, Mark.
Yeah, this is important putt momentum-wise, I think. Wow, so back-to-back bogeys at 17 and 18 for Matt. That's not good.
Kuchar, another one right there in that category. In terms of that Ryder Cup, 4 under, but a disappointing finish, no question. Meanwhile, 14.
Yeah, this is Chris Kirk for par after a really not a very good third shot. Remember, he came up short. I would imagine, Frank, that's not going to meet his standards either. So, in danger of a second consecutive bogey.
Let's see if somebody can make birdie here at 18 as well. Bubba with the 6th, for the 7th. Join Dustin Johnson and Duffner. And Dallas. 2 back of Castro. Ryan Harmon, 1 off the lead at 6 under, and there's DJ, Duffner, and McGirt. Quick turnaround for many of these. Went out late yesterday. They go off early in the second round. So this is the second to last stop overall. Last stop before East Lake, 120.